Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Playvado.world or .digital. So if you don't know what this is, it is another one of those scam websites that entices you to register now and get a free reward. So this is what their website looks like. And basically this logo means trouble, since if you head on over here to see into these websites right here, they basically have the same logo as this one, they just in a different color and a different name. So please guys, do not enter in any information into these websites. It is very obviously a phishing scam and they try to get your information and your card information. And as you can see right here, Malware Tips also made an article about them saying that they're a scam and how this scam works. As you can see, you can read all of them. So please guys, this is a scam. Do not enter in information. So for example, they entice you to just register, get a reward, and then you can play or withdraw risk-free. Then slowly they get your information. So please guys, be more cautious online. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.